The Flair Cafe Kettle is a necessity for any home espresso enthusiast. This electric kettle was designed with affordability in mind and comes with 3 functions to suit your daily needs, including stored memory so you can start heating your water with the last temperature setting used. To get started, plug the electric kettle into an outlet. Place the kettle onto the base with the handle positioned to the left or the right on either side of the control knob. The kettle will swivel 15 degrees either side of the control knob, but won't seat in any other position. Fill your kettle to your desired level between the minimum and maximum line on the inside of the kettle wall. The on-off button will cancel any function and wakes the kettle from sleep. The warm button is used to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius on the 110 volt model only and also cycles through pre-selected temperatures. Tap warm to cycle through the temperatures and press and hold for 2 seconds to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Default settings will be restored when the kettle is unplugged. Out of the box, the quick boil temperature will be set to 212 degrees Fahrenheit or 100 degrees Celsius as the default. Touch the on-off button to wake the kettle from sleep if the screen is off. Then tap on-off again to start the quick boil. Your kettle will beep and the red heating indicator light will illuminate. Once the kettle reaches 212 degrees Fahrenheit, your kettle will beep twice and go into sleep mode. If you'd like to quick boil a temperature other than 212 degrees Fahrenheit, press the on-off button, then turn the knob around the display to select a different temperature. This temperature will then be stored in the kettle until a new one is selected or the kettle is unplugged. The warm function will heat your water to a selected temperature and keep it at this temperature for 30 minutes. To use the warm function, tap the warm button. You can continue to tap the warm button to choose one of the preset temperatures, or you can select a specific temperature by rotating the knob. Once the temperature is selected, the kettle will beep once and the red heating light will illuminate. When the selected temperature is reached, the kettle will beep twice and the green warming light will illuminate. The kettle will stay at this temperature for 30 minutes and then go into sleep mode. The quick boil and warm combo function is meant to pre-boil your water to ensure it's safe to drink before returning it to a selected temperature for 30 minutes. To select the quick boil and warm combo, tap the on-off button and then the warm button in quick succession. Then select a warm temperature by either continuing to tap the warm button or by rotating the knob. The kettle will beep and start heating with the red heating indicator light flashing. Once the water is boiled, the kettle will return your water to the selected warm temperature and the green indicator light will illuminate. The kettle will stay at this temperature for 30 minutes and then go into sleep mode. The Flair Cafe Kettle comes in 2 models, 110 volts and 220 volts. The difference is mainly in the display and the fact that the 220 volt model only displays in Celsius. If you have any questions, reach out to Flair's customer service team.